Good day. Now this video is on applying dimensions to our drawings. Now we didn't do any drawings to scale, we just drew our shapes. So any dimensions we put onto these shapes is just AutoCAD measuring the length of the line or the circle that we drew. It wouldn't have any specific dimensions. When you actually draw a shape to dimensions, you will get that as well. So of course, dimension is found in the annotation section. So you're going to click on dimension, right? Then you go to the line that you want to put the dimension on, and you move the mouse up. You see this is a dimension line here, and you click. So you have your dimension line. Now you are not going to see the actual dimension number just yet because it's going to be very small. It is usually found like to the center of the dimension line. So if you try and click to the center of the dimension and you double click there, so you try there, let's try again. So you keep trying until you get to see the actual dimension that comes up there. So you have to try to get it. Right, so that's the dimension that of the line that we actually drew. Now as soon as you bring up the text box with the dimension in it, you see you have the text editor appearing where you can change the font size, you can put on bold, italic, underline, you can change the font, you can change the color. You have a number of things here we can do with the text. Now the font size does not have a drop down arrow of font sizes like you would in Microsoft Word and so on. You actually have to type in the number for the font size, right? So once you have that done, you press enter, you click away, and you have your dimension line. Now there are different types of dimension lines. Yes, we did the dimension line for the side of the triangle here, but if you want, you can actually put dimensions into your circle. This icon here lets us add other types of dimensions. So if I click the down arrow, you see you have diameter. So you click on diameter, click on the circle, and you see you have your dimension line appearing there for the diameter, right, of the circle here. This triangle here also has angles. So if I click here and I say angular, I will choose one line, and the second line makes up the angle, and you see there's your angle appearing there. And again, if you double click to the center, you see you have the degrees appearing. So you have a lot of different dimensions that you can apply, right? So that is using the dimension option that AutoCAD has. In our next video, we are going to be looking at leader lines.